Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I used this palette that I found on Amazon off of a girl on TikTok. I saw a video that she had posted, it came up on my For You page, and she was hyping this up. She had used the blue shades that were in this palette, so I went ahead and ordered it. This is what it looks like, the inside. So how pretty is that? I am obsessed. I did watch a review on this palette last night on YouTube, obviously, and it had me a little worried when I saw this review because the girl was not kind when she was talking about this palette. Now, I used the green shades today because it's 420. This video is going up on 421, so sorry about that, but I'm obsessed. I think it turned out really nice. The shades, you kind of have to work with them a little bit and blend them, but it really didn't take that long. It was super easy. I really like this palette. I'm excited to try more of the shades out of it. It was on Amazon. I think it was like $20 or $25. I can't remember the exact price, but it's on Amazon. Check it out. Look at that. How stinking pretty is that? So, and it does have like the shade names on the back, so that's helpful. But I'm gonna go ahead and jump into this video. If you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so that was it. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. My dog's laying right next to me. He wants some attention, so I'm gonna go play with him for a little bit, watch the news a little bit more today because it's getting crazy. I found this on Amazon, so definitely check it out, give it a try. I'm obsessed with it. I really like it. Look at that. It is so pretty. So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.